Everyone. My name is Gajan Hanuman Surose. Our today's topic is access modifier in Java. So today date is 24 September 2021. In access modifier in Java, there are two types. Uh, there are two types of modifiers in Java. That is access modifiers and non-access modifiers. The access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility of scope of a field method constructors or class. We can change the access level of fields constructors methods and class by applying the access modify on it. There are four types of Java access modifiers. First is private access modifiers. In private access modifiers, the access level of private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. Then second is default. The access level of default modifier is uh, only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify the access level, it will be the default. Then our third type is protected. The access level of protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside package. Then fourth one is public. The access level of public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. Mm, there are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, uh, volatile, transist, etc. So in default access modifier, if you don't use any modifier, it is treated as default by default. The default modifier is accessible only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. It provides uh, more accessibility than private, but it's more restrictive than protected and public. Then in protected access modifier, it is accessible within package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. The the protected access modifier can be applied on the data member, method and constructor. It can't be applied on the class. It provides more accessibility than the default modifier. Then in public access modifier, the public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has widest scope among all other modifiers. In access modifiers in Java, in access modifiers in Java, as the name suggests, access modifiers in Java helps to restrict the scope of class, constructors, variables, methods, or data member. There are four types of access modifiers, that will be default, private, protected, public. When no access modifier is specified for a class, method, or data member, it is said to be having the default access modifier by default. The data member class or uh, The data member in Java is class or member which are not declared using any access modifiers that is having default access modifier are accessible only within the same package. So it's all about access modifiers in Java. Thank you.